Hello, David. Hello, Shane. Greetings from the Minneapolis Development Center. My name is Chris Bernard. I'm an engineer working on our next generation PON system. What we're showing today is an E720 terabit platform with an SCP2 card, dual 40 gig uplinks to our Spirent Test Center for traffic generation. And we're showing 5 NG-PON2 4X cards. Each of the cards is carrying a single 10 gigabit symmetric PON. We have an XGS-PON partition as well as the 4 NG-PON2 partitions. In addition, on the bottom, we have an E7-2 carrying a GPON overlay. All 6 of these PONs aggregate through the ODN to a single fiber. This single fiber carries 100 gigabits per second into the access network. We have a single fiber from the OLT, which connects down to a 1x8 splitter. This is a standard splitter. All the ONTs, the NG-PON ONTs, the XGS-PON ONT, and the GPON ONT are all connected to a common 1x8 splitter. So what we're showing now is a GPON ONT running a gigabit service. This is an 836GE residential gateway, widely deployed in the network, running about 2 gigabits total aggregate upstream, downstream traffic. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn on an XGS-PON ONT. And what we're showing now is the XGS-PON has been activated on the fiber. Recall with GPON, we were getting about 2 gigabits per second aggregate traffic in the network. With XGS-PON, this is a single 10 gigabit per second overlay. We have dramatically increased the amount of capacity in the network. Then the next step will be to turn on the NG-PON2 overlays. So while the XGS-PON and the GPON ONT have been running along with their 20 gigabits of aggregate traffic, we've gone ahead and turned up the NG-PON2 ONTs. All the ONTs are currently running on channel 1. You can see by the color, which is blue, that they're all sharing a wavelength. There's a single wavelength on the spectrum analyzer. So now that we have all the ONTs ranged in on a single wavelength, we're going to go ahead and migrate across the entire NG-PON2 band. So as the ONTs are tuning, what you're going to see on the spectrum analyzer is the 4 wavelengths are going to pop up here as the ONTs become activated. So now we have all 6 of the ONTs running on different wavelengths. We're going to go ahead and turn up the traffic on the NG-PON2 partitions. And so what you see now is there's 10 gigabit per second running on each of the 5 NG-PON partitions, as well as the 2 gigabits running on our GPON partition. And that is how you get 100 gigabits into your access network. One of the really cool features of NG-PON2 is the ability to have an ONT migrate wavelengths. What we're going to show today is a video service currently running on an ONT that is running on channel 4, and we're going to migrate this ONT over to channel 3. It's currently running a video service that you will see is only very temporarily disrupted as the ONT is tuning from channel 4 to channel 3. So as the ONT tunes, you'll see a very minor disruption, and that's it. Video is restored. The ONT is running on channel 3. The homeowner never even really noticed the disruption. So what we showed today is the coexistence with a widely deployed GPON ONT migrating on an ODN to XGS-PON and to the 4 NG-PON2 wavelengths. We've achieved 100 gigabits per second in the access network, and we've shown that it's a minimal disruption as ONTs are tuning from wavelength to wavelength. It's pretty amazing stuff going on here. So we're excited. Back to you guys in Las Vegas.